Hello sir, hello classmates. So yung gagawin ko po ngayon is yung midterm number 9. First, punta tayo sa Percy View and search for lab developing SQL databases. Excuse me. So ito yung optimizing statistics. Ito yung pang 9. Click. Click start. Click next. Power on the Plab SQL 01. Exercise 1, obtaining the data of the latest statistics update. In a SQL Server database, statistics provide information about how a data is distributed in the database objects, such as tables and indexes. When a SQL Server receives a new query, the new query optimizer uses statistics to create the best possible query plan to resolve that query and retrieve information, thereby providing enhanced query performance. If the statistic values are updated in the table, then the query optimizer cannot create an ideal query plan to resolve the performance. Resolve the query, thereby affecting the query performance. Therefore, before running a query, it is important to know when the statistic was last updated in a table. You can enable the auto underscore create underscore statistics and auto underscore update underscore statistics settings by default to ensure that the database engine automatically creates and updates statistics respectively. Task 1. Obtain the list of statistics in the table columns. And this task will enable auto underscore create underscore statistics option to obtain the list of statistics that are automatically created in the AdventureWorks DW 2016 CTP3 database. When auto underscore create underscore statistics option is set, you can run a query to obtain the list of statistics created in the individual columns in the query table. The name of the statistics object start with underscore WA. Step 1. Ensure you have powered on the required devices and connect to PlabSQL01. Step 2. From the PlabSQL01 desktop, click Start and click Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. The Connect to Server dialog box appears. From the Server tab, drop-down list, click Database and chain in the server name text box, type PlabSQL01. Click Connect. Click Connect. Step 3. The SQL Server Management Studio Windows opens and the Object Explorer. Click Expand to the Databases folder. Step 4. To select the database from the list of databases, click AdventureWorks DW 2016 CTP3. To create a new query from the query pane, click New Query. Step 5. The new query pane opens. Step 6. Check the automatic creation of statistics on a database. Type the following query in the new query pane. To run the query, click Execute or press F5. Task 2. Obtain the recent update data of statistics on a table. In this task, you will enable auto underscore update underscore statistics option to regularly update the statistics created for the AdventureWorks DW 2016 CTP3 database. After setting this option, you can run a query to know the date when the statistics was last updated for a table. Step 1. To create a new query from the query ribbon, click New Query. Step 2. To run the query, click Execute or press F5. Step 3. Obtain the data of percent statistics update for an index. In this task, an index. In this task, you will enable auto underscore update underscore statistics option to regularly update the statistics created on the Adventure Works DW 2016 CTP database. After setting this option, you can run a query to know the date when the statistics was last updated for an index. Step 1. To create a new query from the query ribbon, click New Query. Step 2. To create a new query, to run the query, click Execute or press F5. Next, exercise to updating the table's statistics manually. When there is a change in the data in a database, the statistics gets updated. If a query is executed and updated statistics, there will be inconsistencies between the actual number of rows and the estimated number of rows. Therefore, the updated statistics affects the performance of the query optimizer by not executing the query properly. In smaller database tables, hitting the option to automatically update the statistics can be beneficial. However, when working with large database tables, you need to update the statistics manually for better query performance. The statistics can be manually updated by 1. Using transact SQL statements, 2. Using maintenance plan wizard. Task 1. Use transact SQL statements to update statistics. In this task, we will use sp underscore update stats and update statistics statements to manually update statistics for all indexes on all tables and for one individual table in a database respectively. Step 1. To create a new query from the query ribbon, click New Query. Step 2. To run the query, click Execute or press F5. Step 3. In Object Explorer, click the Fact Internet Sales. To create a new query from the query ribbon, click New Query. This query updates the statistics for the PK underscore internet sales underscore sales order number underscore sales order line number indexing the path internet sales table. Step 4, to run the query, click execute or press F5. Step 5, to create a new query from the query ribbon, click New Query. To confirm the successful update of the statistics for the PK underscore track internet sales order number underscore sales order line number index created on the fact internet sales table, type the following query in the query pane, paste. To run the query, click execute or press F5. Excuse me. Task 2. Use SQL Server Maintenance Plan Wizard to update statistics. In this task, we will use the Maintenance Plans Wizard to set up maintenance plans and schedule to adjust to update statistics for the entire database. Step 1. From the Object Explorer, right-click the deactivated SQL Server agent. The Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio box appears. On the Microsoft SQL Management Studio, click Yes to start the SQL Server agent service. Step 3. The SQL Server agent is started and is indicated by a green arrow on the node icon. From the Object Explorer, expand the management. Right-click Maintenance Plans. Click Maintenance Plans Wizard from the context menu. Step 5. The Maintenance Plan Wizard is open with the SQL Server Maintenance Plan Wizard page. On the SQL Server Maintenance Plan Wizard page, click Next. Step 6. The Select Plan Properties page of the wizard is displayed. On the Select Plan Properties page in the name box, type name of the following maintenance task as follows. Click Next. Step 7. Select Maintenance Task page of the wizard displayed. On the Select Maintenance Task page, um, select the Update Statistics. Checkbox to confirm the maintenance task to be performed. Click Next. Step 8. The Select Maintenance Task Order page of the wizard is displayed. On the Select Maintenance Task Order page, ensure that Update Statistics is selected. Click Next to continue. Step 9. The Define Update Statistics task page of the wizard is displayed. On the Define the Update Statistics task page, click the Database drop-down list. From the from the databases list, click the AdventureWorks DWCTPG. Click OK. Step 10. On the Define Update Statistics task page, database box is set to specific databases. From the Object drop-down list, ensure that the tables in use is selected. Step 11. The database and object on which the update statistics task needs to be performed is selected. Under Update, click Index Statistics. Click Next to continue. Step 12. The Select Report Options page of the wizard is displayed. On the Select Report Options page, retain the default location of the report file and click Next to continue. Step 13. The Complete the Wizard page of the wizard is displayed. On the Complete Wizard page, click Finish to view the confirmation to completion of the task selected to update statistics. Complete the wizard finish. Step 14. The maintenance plan wizard progress page of the wizard is displayed. Click close to close the maintenance plan wizard. Step 15. In the Object Explorer, under Maintenance Plans, the Update Statistics Maintenance Plan appears. Step 16. Sorry. From the Object Explorer, expand SQL Server Agent. Expand the Jobs folder. Click Update Statistics Subplan 1. Right-click Update Statistics dot subplan underscore 1. From the context menu, click Start Job at Step. The Start Jobs window is displayed. Check the successful completion of the listed task. Click Close. Step 19. To create a new query from the query ribbon, click New Query. To run the query, click Execute or press F5. Next, exercise 3. Using FullScan and NOR compute to update statistics. There are two ways to obtain statistics for the data of a table. Using a sample of data performing a full of scan. When a sample of the table data is used, you can obtain an estimate of statistics of the distributed data. However, performing a full scan allows you to determine the actual statistics of the distributed data and therefore is more accurate. It is not frequently done because it takes more time to execute and obtain the results. Sample statistics used to in this base tables by default. In contrast, full scan statistics is mandatory in memory optimized tables. Task 1. Update statistics with full scan and NOR compute. And the stats will stop automatic statistics updates and scan all the rows in the dim product table in the AdventureWorks DW 2016 CTP3 database. To update the statistics manually and confirm the date of the latest statistics update. Step 1. To create a new query from the query ribbon, click New Query. To update the statistics for the dim product table with full scan and NOR compute, type the following query in the new query pane. Paste. Step 2. To run the query, click Execute or press F5. Step 3. To confirm the date when the statistics was recently updated is a current date from the Object Explorer, expand the T on product node. Step 4. Right-click in the topmost statistics in the list from the context menu. Click Properties. Step 5. The statistics properties window is open. In the statistics properties window, ensure that in the update statistics each section the date displayed against the statistics of where these columns were last updated is set to the current date. Step 6. In the statistics properties window in the left pane under a select page, click Details. Click OK on the statistics properties window. Done. Click Done. Power of the flap is Q as 01. Click Accept. That's all for today, sir. Thank you for listening and watching.